Hey, travel enthusiasts! Welcome back to Travel Tales, the go-to destination for immersive travel experiences. Today, we're embarking on an unforgettable visual exploration of the hidden gem that is Estonia. This incredible Baltic nation is brimming with history, stunning nature, and unique experiences. Buckle up as we explore charming towns, medieval wonders, and off-the-beaten-path gems. First stop, Tallinn, the captivating capital. We'll wander through the cobbled streets of the UNESCO-listed Old Town, marveling at the Toompea Castle and the spires of St. Olav's Church. Next, we journey to Tartu, Estonia's intellectual heart. We'll delve into the fascinating history at the ruins of Tartu Cathedral and soak up the vibrant student atmosphere. Crossing the border to Narva, we encounter the imposing Narva Castle, a testament to its rich past. We'll stroll along the Narva River, experiencing the unique cultural blend of Estonia and Russia. Craving adventure? Lahemaa National Park awaits. We'll hike through diverse landscapes, explore the Virumaa Museum, and maybe even spot some birds in the Matsalu Nature Reserve. Island hopping? Let's head to Virumaa, the largest island in Estonia. We'll visit the majestic Kuressaare Episcopal Castle, marvel at the Tallinn meteorite crater, and relax on the pristine beaches of Sandla Bay. Seeking something truly unique? Virumaa National Park beckons. We'll take a boat tour through the flooded forests, navigate the waterways in traditional Europas, and experience the serenity of this boggy wonderland. Time for some R&R. Tartu, the summer capital, welcomes us with its long sandy beach, lively promenade, and charming old town. We'll soak up the sun, try some water sports, and explore the surrounding natural beauty. For a peaceful escape, we'll visit Hiiumaa Island. Here, we'll hike or bike along the scenic coast, visit the iconic Kapu Lighthouse, and simply unwind in the tranquil atmosphere. But wait, there's more. Let's discover Viljandi, a charming town known for its well-preserved old town, vibrant folk music festival, and unique swallows' nests houses. Next, we'll journey to Lake Peipus, the largest transboundary lake in Europe. We'll visit the Virumaa Museum and explore the nearby villages, immersing ourselves in the local culture. Don't miss Matsalu National Park, a paradise for birdwatchers with over 300 species to spot. We'll hike, bike, or kayak through the diverse landscape, enjoying the breathtaking views. But wait, our journey doesn't stop at stunning views. We're diving deep into Estonia's culinary scene. Trust me, the flavors here are as diverse as the landscapes. I might just have found my new favorite dish. Now, Here's the deal, fellow travelers. If you're enjoying this visual spectacle as much as I am, don't forget to hit that like button, comment below with your favorite part of Estonia, share this video with your travel buddies, and of course, subscribe for more epic adventures. And hey, before we wrap up, check out the video description below for some fantastic travel promos. I've got exclusive deals just for you, so don't miss out. Your next adventure might be just a click away. Thanks for joining me on this visual journey through Estonia. Remember, the world is full of wonders, and I can't wait to explore them with you. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and I'll catch you in the next adventure.